The brand new $400 budget iPhone SE just came out. It is basically the body of an iPhone 8 with some new internals. You have the A13 Bionic chip from iPhone 11 and 11 Pro, and I believe the camera and sensor from iPhone XR. But can its camera really keep up with phones like iPhone XS Max or iPhone 11 Pro Max? We're gonna find out. What's up everybody, my name is Sean. Welcome to my tech channel. If this is the first time you're stopping by and you enjoy tech content like this, you might want to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so you won't miss my future videos. I've already done the unboxing video and my first impression of the phone, so if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna put a link right up here as well as the description below. Definitely check it out. We have this $400 budget phone that the camera in the rear is 12 megapixel with aperture 1.8 and a selfie camera 7 megapixel with aperture 2.2. There's nothing really special about this camera other than the fact that now you have the A13 Bionic chip inside this to really power some nice image processing of the photos you're taking. For example, while this is a single lens camera, you can now take portrait photos both with the rear camera as well as the selfie camera. I'm gonna put up the photos that I have taken with all these three cameras, the XS Max, the 11 Pro Max, as well as the iPhone SE. I will give you about 8 seconds to take a look at each photo. Just keep track of, see how many do you get right. Can you guess which one is the photo from iPhone SE? At the end, comment down below, let me know how many of these pictures you're gonna get right. I think I have a total of 9 or 10 photos, including some portrait photo using the rear camera as well as the selfie camera, and one video that I've taken at 1080p 60 frames per second. Enjoy. So what do you guys think? I am curious to see how many you were able to get right. Go ahead, comment down below. Look, when I was putting this together, even I was surprised. Some of these photos are really hard to tell the difference. Yes, you can pause and try to heavily analyze the photo, and then it may be a little bit more obvious. So here's the overall conclusion in my opinion, and you guys comment down below, let me know if you agree with this or not. In 11 Pro Max, if you pay close attention and you have to force rank some of these photos, 11 Pro Max continues to give the best dynamic range and the most details, especially when you look at some of the wrinkle on my face or some of the mud in some of the pictures, or the rust or the metal. iPhone SE, in my opinion, in many of these photos, even without paying too much attention, I think the iPhone SE was producing much better pictures than the XS Max, and I think that's because of the power of the A13 Bionic chip that the iPhone SE has. The portrait, I thought it looked better. The dynamic range is better. If you pause some of the photos and you go back, you see in the shadows, the iPhone SE is able to produce more details compared to iPhone XS. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you want to see about this phone, and comment down below what do you think overall about this test. And I hope you really enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.